Welcome to the Lake Washington High School Honor Society induction ceremony. I'm Ms. Shota, the chapter advisor. We're excited to formally recognize those students who've been selected by the faculty of our school for membership in National Honor Society. Thank you for taking the time to mark this moment of honor for our new members. More than just an honor roll, National Honor Society serves to honor those students who have demonstrated excellence in the areas of scholarship, leadership, service, and character. These four main purposes have guided our chapter from the beginning. To quote from the charter, our purpose is to create enthusiasm for scholarship, to stimulate a desire to render service, to promote leadership, and to develop character. These purposes also translate into the criteria used for membership selection. Our chapter is proud to have been inducting new members for many years, and with this year's ceremony indicates the continuing emphasis on excellence that we represent for our school and community. Throughout the year, members of our chapter serve as role models for other students. In addition to the strong academic records that established eligibility for membership, chapter members are leaders in many student organizations, and we serve our school and community through many activities. To give you a brief overview, they are Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, captains of their sports teams, leaders of their church, synagogue, and mosque youth groups, members of DECA, Loyalty, Key Club, Green Team, Model UN and Robotics, workers in nursing homes and libraries, tutors of elementary age students, and volunteers with local food banks and international relief efforts. We are honored to recognize these outstanding students. Thank you.
Congratulations on your selection to the Lake Washington High School chapter of the National Honor Society. Your selection is based on your demonstrations of leadership, service, character, and scholarship. National Honor Society was started in 1921, just 1 year prior to Kirkland High School, which later became Lake Washington High School. In our current climate of COVID, social justice, and political division, we need young people such as yourselves to pick up the torch and lead by example. The focus on leadership and community service, to me, are the most important pillars. I congratulate you on your induction and look forward to the good you will do for our community and our school. Congratulations.
Thank you, Ms. Thomas, for that message. So, National Honor Society is a way of recognizing students who demonstrate excellence in areas of scholarship, leadership, service, and character. These four purposes have guided our chapter since the beginning. Now I'll introduce our Secretary of Peer Tutoring, Rohit, to talk about the first principle of scholarship.
As National Honor Society, we're not only a club of leaders, but also a club of scholars. We recognize and commend the academic achievements of our members. By becoming a member of our National Honor Society, you're not only showing your level of scholarship so far in high school, but the level that you'll continue at as you pursue this path. However, scholarship is more than concrete values such as numbers or letters on a report card. Scholarship is valuing the knowledge that you've received so far and striving to obtain even more. Those who truly embody scholarship have a sense of passion like no other. They come to class every day, willing to learn themselves, but also willing to help others learn. One outstanding member of Honor Society who truly embodies the principle of scholarship is Mia Pekes. Through all 4 years of high school, Mia has taken and excelled in multiple advanced courses. On top of this, she is one of our most requested peer tutors. This year, she has gone as far as to be a regular tutor in one of our geometry classes. I hope that all current and new members of this chapter can see Mia as an embodiment of the pillar of scholarship, not only for her academic achievements, but willing to help others do the same. Now, I'll pass it off to our Secretary of Ours, Morgan Lee, to talk about service.
Service is one of the most important parts of Honor Society. So much of Honor Society is stationed around the concept of service, whether that be peer tutoring or a simple thank you note. Honor Society is a prestigious club that teachers, schools, and students rely on a daily basis for service. Strong service leaders recognize good opportunities that benefit others and interest them. Commit to a regular schedule and strive for the best. I have no doubt that everyone watching today will put their best work into helping others. While we hear this, I want to recognize Reva Varma Kulkarni, whose services truly embody Honor Society. Within the 3 amazing years of knowing her, I've never had a time where Reva has not wanted to help someone. Last year, after every meeting, she would come up to me and propose that we do a service opportunity that weekend. Even if I was not available, she was still out doing the best for her community. On top of her summer job, this year she designed and created flyers for her friend's nonprofit organization. And if Reva wasn't at work, she was doing something to help others, like academic support. Reva has constantly represented Honor Society in and out of school, and many of Reva's hours weren't even counted, and she simply did it to help. I guarantee you that if you asked for help from Reva, her hand would be the first to raise to provide the best.
Character is an honor society pillar that goes to describe what makes someone different from everyone around them and what makes them stand out from their surroundings. The 6 qualities that represent character are respect, responsibility, trustworthiness, fairness, caring, and citizenship. A person demonstrates character through their ability and willingness to help everyone around them. As many of you could guess, character is one of the most important pillars of honor society. When thinking of the character pillar, one name comes to my mind immediately, and that is Nellie Mex Canul. Nellie's academic record and rigorous classes she takes speaks for themselves. The true reason Nellie resembles the character pillar is the warmth and kindness she brings to everyone around her. From her endeavors in Diversity Action Team, Kirkland Youth Council, Honor Society, ASL Club, and more, Nellie has excelled and constantly showed her caring and helpful spirit. In Honor Society specifically, Nellie is always one to be called for tutoring, as she always excels in it and makes sure to share her honest and caring character with the ones that she tutors. Nellie's countless achievements speak for themselves, but it is her inner character that rubs off on everyone around her that makes her different from everyone else. Nellie is always there if you need help, and as someone who has had multiple classes with her, I have seen the effort and dedication she puts into everything she does. Nellie's character never fails to positively influence the ones around her, and I know it never will. In Honor Society, I hope you use the character pillar to show your own character and to positively influence the ones around you. Next, our Vice President, Ndidi Opara, will talk about leadership.
Now more than ever is leadership integral to serving our communities. National Honor Society members are leaders inside the classroom, outside the classroom, at their extracurricular activities, at work, at sports. Moreover, National Honor Society members are leaders in the world. And though all members are leaders, none stick out quite as much as Josh Slate. Josh Slate is the only junior serving on the all-senior leadership team of Kirkland Youth Council. His eagerness to serve, lead, and care for other members is commendable and impressive. It is that kind of leadership that we expect of all NHS members. It is that kind of leadership that they all exemplify. This type of leadership is something that our new members clearly already exemplify, and we expect them to continue to exemplify in the future. Now, Gayla will help us welcome our new members to our chapter.
First, we have our sophomore members: Reem Abdul Hamid, Sonia Anderson, Jolie Barga, Brooke Barr, Zoe Boger, Eileen Cho, Marissa Ganter, Ulysses Gaitan, Kaylin Guest, Tisha Gulati, Julia Hansky, Gabrielle Hewer, Benny Howard, Alexandra Ivanova, Brendan Knox, Aaron Lung, Harshitha Madonna, Nicholas Maffio, Kinley Moss, Mahi Namani, Brady Rebuchin, Kaylee Rice, Katie Schwitzer, Riley Shepard, Jolena Sim, Denizon Sinanoglu, Ella Studer, Dixon Tan, Kayla Terrell, Lily Moon Whalen, and Sydney Wyman. Next, we have our new junior members: Andrew Ball, Isabella Barstow, Bruce Broidegam, Megan Buchanan, Marika Cartier, McKenna Eccles, Eliza Harris, Jillian Hines, Connor Cogg, Julia Cohagen, Sydney Crable, Ankita Kumar, Braden Mann, Sri Harsitha Nadamala, Dominic Newman, Brandon Nichols, Andra Oltian, Zach Pemble, Kaya Sino, Marika Schumann, Cooper Smith, Rosa Smith, Jasmine Vuong, Brandon Wen, and Brianna Ye. Last but not least, here are our new senior members: Howie Adugna, Ilya Bradshaw, Nathan Chen, Asiya Lawhorn, and Ethan Nguyen. Thank you all for bearing with us as our chapter adapts to function in a remote environment. We know that this year brings unique challenges to every student, and we commend all of you for continuing to uphold the principles that NHS stands for in spite of adversity. We hope that things will return to normal soon, but in the meantime, we know that our members will continue to strive for scholarship, service, character, and leadership, strengthening our community during this turbulent time. Congratulations to our new members, and welcome to the Lake Washington chapter of National Honor Society.
Welcome to Honor Society.
Welcome to Honor Society.